Okay, earlier today I was by the 5G towers and I showed you the houses living right next to them and how it went up to 12, 13, 15, 17, 20 and off the chart. So now I'm going to turn on the microwave and show you what they're being exposed to 24/7. I'll turn it on. Let's see. All right, let's see what happens now. So it's like they're being microwaved 24/7. Look at that. When I stood next to the cell towers, that's what I was getting. That means right next to the school, they're being microwaved 24/7. The kids. This is what a microwave does. Okay, and then when it's not on, it goes much lower.